Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. This one's a little bit different for you. I keep saying that, don't I? You will remember I had a little party or a soiree at work on my actual birthday. Lots of the ladies from my studio came along. But one of the people that came was my very good friend, Elspeth. Now, Elspeth turned 60 last year and I bought her 60 presents for her 60th birthday. And so when she turned up to my soiree, she presented me with a lovely big bag, and sure enough, inside were 40 presents for my 40th birthday. Now, when I did this for Elspeth, I kept it small. Obviously, 60 presents, even if each present's worth £1, you're spending £60, which is quite a lot of money. So I kept the presents as small as possible, and some of them didn't cost me anything. Things that I'd maybe acquired, or I might have bought a pack of something and separated that pack. So I was cunning in how I did it. Needless to say, I did spend a fair amount of money, and I'm sure Elspeth has spent a fair amount of money on my presents. But just to get your head round kind of the things that you would put in this kind of package. So I thought I would show you as quickly as I can the 40 presents that Elspeth bought me. I'm just going to dive in. I've got a big basket here that I put them in as I open them, and they've been sitting here in my studio for the last 3 weeks and I haven't been able to use them because I've only just got round to recording this video. So the first thing she got me was a pack of napkins with alpacas and sloths, two of my favourite things. The second thing she got me was a lovely notebook with my favourite phrase, she believed she could, so she did. The third thing she bought me was a ginormous pom-pom maker. The fourth thing she got me was another little notebook, but just very, very pretty. Number 5, this one's special. This is a Moomins book, and it's Little My's Book of Thoughts. I love Moomins, I love Little My. It's a really sweet little book. I can't wait to sit and read it all the way through. I particularly like this little phrase, when you're angry, then you're really angry, thought Little My, peeling her potato with her teeth. Sometimes you have to be angry. Every little creature has the right to get angry. Love it. So this is a vintage book, apparently, that Elspeth bought from a lady who was selling her entire Moomins collection. So lots of love gone into that one. What number are we on? 5. Number 6, a lovely little card. I like this one. It says, chin up, boobs out, onwards. Number 7, another little tiny notebook, which I particularly like. It says, make your own magic. Number 8. Now, this is a special one. Elspeth visited Amsterdam with her friend this year. I've taken her there before, and I've taken her to the Amsterdam duck shop, where they sell nothing but rubber ducks. And this one is a pink, is it going to show up? A pink uniduck. Number 9 is another Amsterdam duck, a classic one this time, in the lovely blue and white Amsterdam pattern. I'm going to need to get a notepad and paper so I can make a note what number I'm on. Number 10, more Moomins. Moomin stickers. Number 11, more Moomins. A Moomin glasses cleaner with Little My on it. Number 12, a sloth greetings card. Number 13, some lip balm. Rhubarb gin. Number 14, a notebook, and this one is in German, and it says Das Geheimnis des Königs liegt im Wollen. Now, I didn't know what that meant, so I asked Elspeth, and this is what it means.
Okay, Das Geheimnis des Königs liegt im Wollen.
Number 15, another notebook. Again, sloth, alpaca. Can you see a theme? A little box. This is gorgeous. This is number 16. It's a brooch. Very sweet. Little scissors and flowers. I love this one. Number 17 is a marzipan frog. I love marzipan, and this is particularly appropriate because I will never eat him. Elspeth and I work on the philosophy that we do a to-do list every single day, and that there's always one thing on your to-do list that is your frog. It is the most important thing. It's the thing you must do first. If you haven't heard the phrase, whatever you do, eat your frog first thing in the morning, I will link a very short video down below about eating frogs. I'm losing count, so I'm just going to show you. This one's particularly cute, more sloths and alpacas. You can see that tiger had a bit of a thing going on. This is lovely. It's a little stationery set with pencils and rulers. Another little notebook. Make your dreams happen. I'll show you this. There's 4 presents all in one. Lovely little pencil with alpacas on it. A lovely little pen, another pencil with alpacas on it, and another little pen. So they would have probably all come together in one little set. She separated them, wrapped them up as 4 separate presents. More sticky things. This is another little notepad. I love notepads and notebooks. No drama llama. A cute little badge that says, must knit faster so I can buy more yarn. A fun, silly present. It's like a Rubik's Cube, except you open it up. And it creates different pictures for you. Again, more sloths and alpacas. Some cuffs, some ribbing, which will be really good. I've got my Stella sweatshirt still to make, and these will make lovely cuffs on that. A strawberries and cream bath tea bag for me to put in my bath. A no drama llama rubber. 2 llama rubbers. Another bath tea bag, this time mint and white tea. 2 more pens, this time really fancy rollerballs in bright pink and lime green, company colours. A lovely little book full of sticky notes, more alpacas, some sticky page markers, which are like little kittens. The third in a set of mini notebooks. This one says, "The stars shine for you." A llama pencil sharpener. Another really cute little notepad with a lovely little illustration of a lady in a bath. And last but not least, a little set of stitch holders for my knitting. So as you can see, I was thoroughly spoiled, but I love every single one of those little things. Now, if you've done the maths and you've counted all of these presents, you'll know that there are 39 presents here. That is because one did not survive. Unfortunately, there was a rather nice block of marzipan in this basket, and it sat there uneaten for at least a week before it found its way into my stomach. But there you have it, 40 presents for this 40-year-old. So I thought I'd share it with you and say thank you once again, Elspeth. It was incredibly thoughtful. I don't know who gave you that idea. I love every single one of them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I will see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.